So guys, we have our sample project on. Now to apply ghost trail effect, select the layer, tab on this button, duplicate the layer, select the new layer, tab on the speed icon, move the slider slowly, try to get 0.95 speed, go back, blending and opacity, reduce the value to 50%. Let's see what we have. See, we already have our ghost trail effect. Now how to gradually apply this ghost trail effect? It's really simple. Suppose this is our starting point. Blending and opacity, make a keyframe. Reduce the opacity to 0. Then the duration. Increase the opacity to 50%. Now move to the end point. Again make a keyframe. The duration. Opacity 0. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.